Hello friends, welcome to the Noura's kitchen. Let's make famous Pakistan restaurant style chicken karahi.
Chicken karahi.
Add 3 tablespoon cooking oil. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Add 1 chopped onion. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Cook until turns golden. Add 1 kilogram chicken. Mix and cook for 8 minutes. Add 3 chopped tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric. And 2 teaspoon cashmere chill powder. And 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix it well. Add 3 teaspoon curd. Close the lid and cook 5 to 8 minutes. Add mint and coriander leaves. Add green chili and ginger slices. Close the lid and cook 2 minutes. Ready to serve. Just try this recipe. Feel real restaurant-style chicken karahi. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.